everybody loves mashed potatoes. Yes, exactly. They love it with steak, with chicken, with turkey, with absolutely anything every time of the year. About a year ago, we made our most loved and most viral video on this channel, my personal mashed potato recipe. But the problem is, it's not a problem, but it is because the video is in Spanish. So for my ever-growing English-speaking audience, I wanted to make this video again in English for you guys. So, mashed potatoes, let's do this. So today, I'm gonna let y'all into a little secret. First, peel your potatoes before washing them. There's a very specific reason for this, so bear with me. When you're peeling a freshly washed potato, that little puppy is really hard to peel, most of the time. So peel it first, then wash it and thank me later. Don't worry about them nasty little eyeballs. We're gonna cut them out. That's what a knife is for. Wash each one of these fantastic puppies thoroughly and then cut out every one of them nasty little suckers. Whenever all of them nasty little suckers are completely taken out, we're gonna chop them finely. We do not need big chunks of potatoes. Why? We're making mashed potatoes. You don't need big lumps. Save yourself the trouble of having to mash and whack your arm off. Cut little small pieces of potatoes and put that into abundant water. Agua abundante, por favor. And then abundante sal, lots of salt, please. We need this water in a salt bath for our potatoes. After a few minutes, we're gonna test our potatoes, and when a fork pierces the potato completely, we drain. I'm getting a facial just watching this. Yes, it's very delicious. When the potatoes are drained, set them aside. Now into a small saucepan, we're adding a cup of milk and a half cup of heavy cream. Yes, heavy cream, thank me later. Then we're going to add abundant butter, or burro, as our Italian friends say, which is in Spanish is very funny to hear because it's donkey, but anyhow. Add salt and pepper to taste, put her on the fire, and then stir until there are no lumps of burro. Let's put our potatoes back onto our counter and then mash them babies up. Mash until your arm can't take it no more. Then we're gonna start adding our milk and butter. Burro, mantequilla. How many other languages can we speak? Then we're gonna mash and mash and mash by hand. I'm a simple girl, I don't believe in a lot of appliances. Just use a hand masher until you can't mash no more, and then potatoes will be perfect. Now I gotta mix in all that butter that was on the top that now melted is on the side because, hello, you know, there's never enough butter. Well, yeah, obviously there's always a lot of, because hello, there's never enough butter. Well, yes, obviously, there can always be too much butter. But for this, you gotta have the butter. Mommy, I would be absolutely, completely happy. Salad and this. I don't need anything more. I am happy. I'm a happy girl when I'm eating this. This recipe is good any time of the year. Most of you guys probably already have all the ingredients at home. So please, go ahead and make this and comment down below how it goes for you guys. Don't forget, we have new videos every single week here on Jenn Masio's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share this content with anybody that you think might enjoy it. It really helps this channel. Thank you guys once again for coming back, and we'll see you next week here on Jenn Masio's Kitchen. Bye.